been doing the phenomenal work in the last couple of years in the fields of education, empowerment, and rural youth upliftment. In this direction, we had started our own center in Anantapur, which is successfully running for last couple of years. After experiencing the success in Hyderabad, that's the next center which we have started in Anantapur. We have today hundreds of students or beneficiaries of our various programs present here who want to give their performances and entertain us in this evening. We have participants from tailoring section, we have participants from educare, participants from beautician courses, various other courses. People are present here and the people are here gathered in hundreds. So it's overwhelming response for us. With the support of all you beneficiaries and well-wishers and corporates, we are able to do successfully for 17 years, and we thank each and every one of the corporates and people who have stood behind us for this grand success. I now request Siva Krishna to give a brief update on the annual accounts of the update.
The first graduate of Abhaya Foundation, 2006. He started with his career as an MCA graduate. 2024, after 16 years of journey, he is now standing here as Secretary General of Abhaya Foundation, as a true trustee to the true spirit. That's all. Bless him for the wonderful life ahead.
I welcome everyone to the eventful evening, and we are very much delighted to have you all here. So, as a secretary, it is my duty to present the annual report for the past year. So, I'm here to present the 1 year activity update. We had a glorious event, Abhaya Shodasa, in January 2023 in the same venue, where many reputed personalities around the country taken part, and we had very memorable event. Abhaya initiated Bharat CSR Summit in 2023, and it was a grand success, and we have witnessed the second edition of the same in the morning session. Abhaya got an opportunity to be part of Nandamuri Balakrishna's Unstoppable, which was telecasted in AHA OTT. So we thank our beloved CS Murali Garu for paving the way for the team to be there on a reputed platform. So a US-based NGO, SEED, came forward to partner with Abhaya and work with Abhaya in various empowerment initiatives. So with their support, Abhaya worked on different villages to empower rural youth on multiple trades like tailoring, driving, beautician. Abhaya donated books for village libraries and set up few study centers at different villages. Abhaya invited all the NGO participants in Bharat CSR Summit to plan a collaborative projects in their respective villages. Abhaya partnered with more than 15 NGOs in this year and rendered services in more than 30 places. We specially thank Yuvashakti, NDSO, RIDO and Niswartha Foundations for their continuous support to Abhaya Foundation. The Campus book authored by founder Balachandra got many accolades from different people, different walks of life. So the team met officials from both Telugu states and met with education ministers and distributed that Compass book to all the government schools across the Telugu states. So inspired by this content, Sri P.V. Ramana, lecturer in TSRSC, volunteered to translate the book to English, and we have dedicated that in the morning session for the benefit of students across the globe. Our heartfelt thanks to Sri Ramana Garu and other volunteers who worked relentlessly for completing this translation and making it ready for the publication. Team Abhaya got a chance to participate at various events with Raj Bhavan. So we participated at home event conducted by Raj Bhavan. Our Women Empowerment Director, Srimati Krishnaveni, honored by Her Excellency Governor on the eve of International Women's Day. We worked closely with Raj Bhavan on various education and empowerment initiatives this year. Abhaya also supporting PM's mission of TB Mukta Bharat and providing nutrition food kits for 20 patients every month. And one small appeal from our founder for his birthday, raised a curtain for lakhs of fun food. So it's not a normal, ordinary thing. It's something which is extraordinary, where hundreds of Abhayans across the globe poured their love and pulled handsome amount of 16 lakhs on his one single appeal. We thank for all the love and support from every Abhayan in this regard. Abhaya Super 60 program continued for the third year in a row, and we thank Lara's Labs for being the title sponsor, program sponsor. This year we had conducted two variants, one residential camp and another non-residential coaching. So residential coaching center is done at Abhaya CCL campus Anantapuram and non-residential classes at Uruvakonda. More than 180 students were trained under the program, and more than 100 students got better ranks and qualified for government institutions. We conducted summer camps for the students in 10 different villages, and the same program paved ways to another education initiative which we are calling as Abhaya Samskara Kendras, where we are selecting students from the government high schools and giving them coaching in their curriculum as well as in different value-based educations. As of date, there are 30 such Ask Centers across 4 states, benefiting more than 1,000 students and more importantly, benefiting 30 unemployed youth from the same village. So the motto is not just to concentrate on their studies, but also inculcate good character in the students. As part of our seasonal activity, Abhaya initiated Hunt this summer with 3,000 umbrellas, and Hunt the winter distributed more than 5,000 blankets this year. These two projects stand out from all our regular activities, as these involves scores of volunteers across the country to be part of and rendering their services. These projects will give first-hand information, first-hand experience for all our volunteers, and for that reason, many of the volunteers will participate year on year. Under Educare, Abhaya worked with more than 30 schools for their infrastructure gaps and facilitated all the students and teachers to continue their education without any lacking. So development of government schools is a main focus area for Abhaya Foundation, and we have impacted more than 500 teachers and 10,000 students across this year in different projects taken up in the states. So we also supported higher education for 10 new students who joined our Educare team. Empowerment initiatives are Abhaya's primary focus, and we are planning to energize our 3 campuses, one in Hyderabad, Abhaya Home of Happiness, second in Abhaya CCL campus, Anantapur, and the third is Abhaya Yuva campus of Bangalore. So we want to have continuous training programs there and reach out many villages where we can impart the value education and empowerment in those areas. These initiatives are super hit for Abhaya Foundation, and we could empower more than 600 youth in this year in different trades. Our founder authored a driving manual, Ask Teacher's Guide for Abhaya Samskar Kendras, another small pocket book called Vimukham, which will be inaugurated soon in this event. Our aim is to propagate these books as much as possible to all the student community so that they will learn the values. Abhaya always tries to lend its support to the families who are stuck in calamities. Though we cannot fulfill all the needs, we wish to support whatever possible from our end and supported tarpaulins, blankets in different states like Allur Sita Ramaraju district from Andhra Pradesh, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli from Telangana, and multiple districts in Tamil Nadu which were affected with